Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite side dishes. It's quick, it's easy, it's super tasty. I'm going to show you how to make street corn. So to get started, we'll get some firelighters going and we'll get about half a chimney worth of charcoal on. Alright, so while our charcoal's getting started, we're going to make the sauce for our street corn. Alright, so in a mixing bowl, we're going to start with about half a cup of sour cream. Then I'll add about a quarter of a cup of kewpie mayonnaise, a quarter cup of jalapeno mayonnaise, a tablespoon of minced garlic, then I'll grate in the zest from one lime, and then I'll add in the juice from half of that lime. Then we'll add a pinch of salt and pepper, and we'll give it a good mix. Then you can have a taste, adjust it to your liking, and set it aside in the fridge for now. And then once your charcoal's ready, you can dump it in your barbecue. We're going to be using the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler today. Then we'll spread our charcoal out nice and even. We'll get our cooking grates on. We'll give them a couple of minutes to heat up, then we'll get this corn on. Alright, now for the corn. You can use whatever corn you like. We're just using some dehusked sweet corn, but if you want to leave the husk on, peel it back and make it all look fancy, that's completely up to you. But we're just keeping it nice and simple. So for now, we're just going to get this on the barbecue. We're going to cook it until we've got a nice char on all sides. Should probably take about 4 or 5 minutes. So let's get this on. Now feel free to cook your corn however you like. If you want to do it on your gas barbecue or in the oven inside, that's completely up to you. It's always so quick and easy to just get some street corn happening. If you've got some steaks or chicken grilling directly over charcoal, you can literally have these done in less than 10 minutes. Alright, so while our corn's cooking, I've got some other stuff ready. We've got some finely chopped parsley, but if you like coriander, go ahead and use that. We've got some smoked paprika, and then I've got some crumbled feta cheese. Now the stuff you really want to look for is cotija cheese, but it's really hard to find, so you can either use feta or parmesan if you can't find it. And then we've got our sauce ready. So I reckon this corn's just about done, so let's finish it off. Alright, so our corn is looking great. That's done. Let's get them off and onto our bench. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'll get a basting brush and we'll brush that sauce all over our corn. Then we can crumble some of that feta over the top. We can roll it around and make sure we get the other side as well. And we can hit it with some smoked paprika and finish it off with our parsley. Alright, now I'm just going to hit it with a bit more lime juice and then it's time to dig in. Oh man, now that is so unbelievably tasty. That sauce, the cheese, the zinginess from the lime, that little jalapeno kick from when we added that jalapeno mayo into the sauce. Wow, that is just so enjoyable. You've definitely got to try that one. It's so quick, easy, and super tasty. That's the end of the video, so if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. Make sure you've subscribed to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.